Set includes 4 wires, Coil Lead N R. Variable pitch winding delivers ultra-low resistance, a powerful spark and outstanding ME RFI noise suppression. Numbered for easy cylinder identification, and coil wires are color-coded for correct and easy installation. Positive locking, corrosion-resistant stainless steel terminal ends for tight fit and maximum resistance to vibration and separation. High temp, 250 degrees plus C, 482 degrees plus F. Silicone outer jacket resists moisture, oil, petrol and cracking due to temperature extremes. NGK Wire Set. 7 mm ultra-low resistance magnetic core, wire wound ignition cable with OEM or better specified spark plug and distributor boots. High-temp silicone jacket resists underhood temperatures up to 482 degrees Fahrenheit. High-density, premium fiberglass braiding reinforcement over EPDM, silicone inner insulation for superior dielectric strength and excellent cable tensile strength. NGK wire sets are built to meet stringent OEM tolerances for a variety of vehicles. They utilize a construction method known as variable pitch wire winding to create resistance to radio frequency interference. The variable pitch winding provides suppression throughout a very wide range by scrambling and breaking up the electrical waves radiated by the firing of the spark plugs. NGK wire sets provide superior firing and fuel savings, outstanding durability, excellent noise suppression, and consistent is the ignition specialist with more OE expertise globally than any other brand. With over 80 years of automotive experience, NGK's family of automotive products are driven by extreme dedication to innovation, performance and quality. NGK's premium ignition products are manufactured to the highest durability and operational performance to meet OE standards. The Ignition Specialist full-line product offering includes spark plugs, glow plugs, ignition coils, coil-on-plug boots and wire sets. With state-of-the-art manufacturing, inventory and distribution facilities in North America and globally, NGK is dedicated to providing customers with world-class products and services. NGK's OE legacy, unsurpassed quality and leading vehicles in operation coverage reinforces NGK as the ignition specialist offering quality replacement parts for domestic and import vehicles. Top reviews from the United States. The only Miata wires. Having had 3 Mazda Miatas. These wires withstand the temperatures and cycles that others cannot. Regardless, I strongly suggest replacing them every few years for every 4th oil change.